Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics. Early Year Foundation Stage 3. Today, we're going to embark on a fascinating journey through the world of punctuation in the English language. We'll learn about various punctuation marks and how they help us express our thoughts. Are you excited? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the full stop. The full stop is like a little period at the end of a sentence. It tells us that the sentence is complete. For example, there is no place like home. Next, we have the comma. Commas are like little pauses in a sentence. We use them to separate items in a series. For example, she, he doesn't use a computer. Now, the colon is like a signpost that introduces a list. It's a bit like saying, look, here comes a list. For example, he kept repeating, I really want that car. The semicolon is a bit like a bridge. It joins two independent clauses together. For example, we had too many fumbles. We lost the game. The question mark is a special one. It's like a hook that shows a sentence is a question. For example, what is your name? When you see the exclamation mark, it's like a shout in your writing. It's used after an exclamation to show strong feelings. For example, please help me now. The slash is like a little divider. It's used to separate letters, numbers, or other things. For example, she was born on 15/3/2006. Next, we have the apostrophe. It's like a tiny shortcut. We use it to show when a letter or a number has been left out. For example, I'm sorry, I'm busy. Finally, there are quotation marks. These are like little speech bubbles. They indicate that a phrase is quoted from someone else. For example, Hassan said, I am very tired. Learning about these punctuation marks is like having a toolbox for writing. They help us express ourselves in different ways, whether it's asking questions, shouting with excitement, or sharing what someone else has said. Keep practicing, keep learning, and have a blast with your punctuation adventure. Until next time, comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video.